Today we are going to learn about writing haikus. A haiku is a form of poetry invented by the Japanese. Typically, it tries to capture something in nature. For example, this haiku says, "Into the forest, the quiet rain patters down, a gentle hello." There is a very specific structure we have to follow when writing a haiku. As you can see in this example, there are only 3 lines. The first line consists of 5 syllables, into the forest. The second line consists of 7 syllables, the quiet rain patters down. And the last line again is 5, a gentle hello. There's actually some variation in the amount of allowed syllables for a haiku. However, this is the structure that we will stick to in our studies. 5, 7, 5. Let's practice by writing a haiku about the subject of snow. First, we must think of a phrase that has 5 syllables. You have the option to use any kind of words. It doesn't have to be a full sentence. It can be only descriptive words if you want. So I've decided that my first line is going to be describing the physical qualities of snow. White, cold, and alive. For my second phrase, which must be 7 syllables if you remember, I will be describing the action of what snow does. Falling pieces of the sky. For our final line, we must choose another 5-syllable phrase. Settle with a sigh. So our final haiku is white, cold, and alive, falling pieces of the sky. Settle with a sigh. Now remember, your haiku does not have to rhyme. I just chose to make mine rhyme because that's what I prefer. I love haikus because I believe that out of limitations flows creativity. Having that set structure of the 575 syllable count really makes you think, because every word has to be so intentional and meaningful to the overall theme of what you're trying to get across. Now for your homework, your job is to write a haiku about spring and bring it into class tomorrow. I'll see you then.